Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss next pyq of linear algebra asked in csirnet June 2024. So our question is, let V be the real vector space of 2 cross 2 matrices with entries in R. Let T from V to V denotes the real transformation defined by T of B is equals to AB. For every V belongs to vector space V, where A is equals to this matrix 2001. Which of the following characteristic polynomial of T? So we have to find here the characteristic polynomial of T. So we see first what is the rank of this characteristic polynomial, that is what is the rank made by this matrix T. So we see that A have a rank 2, and if this type of matrix came, then we will do what? We do n into this rank of this A. So the rank of matrix is A, that is 2, and this has 2 cross 2 matrix, so it is into 2. So they have the rank of this transformation is 4. That is, the matrix formed by this transformation have a rank 4. So by seeing the rank, we can decide the degree of the characteristic polynomial. So it has a rank 4, so degree is also of 4. So we see the two options. Option first have degree 2, which is not possible because if rank is 4, the characteristic also of degree 4. So this is not possible, and here it is also degree 3 not equals to 4, so it is also not possible. So now we'll see the option D. As we see from this, if this is a characteristic polynomial of T, so if have eigenvalue is what? Plus minus root 2 and plus minus 1. So it is different from this eigenvalue of A. But if this type of matrix is here, then the eigenvalue is always equals to the eigenvalue of A. So this option is also discarded, and this option is correct. So if you have a question how this eigenvalue is come, then you can form it, that it B is equals to T of B is equals to A into B. We have to write the standard eigenvalue T of E1, that is 2001 into what is the eigenvalue of standard matrix, that is 1001. We get what? 2000. Find as it is E2, it is 2001 is equals to 0100. We get what? 0 0 0. Sorry, minute. This is wet 0. This is 02. Sorry, this is 02 and this is 0. Again, T of E3. This is equals to 2001. So what is get? 0010. If E3 it is a standard basis. This is here. So we get what? 0010. Now for T of E4, 2001, we get 0001. We get what? 0 0 0 and 1. If we formulate this in a matrix, how do we formulate? We will put in a row wise 2000. Here also 0200 0010 0001. Here we see this matrix TB is this, and we see the eigenvalues are in the diagonals, and it have only two eigenvalues, that is 2 and 1. So option C is correct. By this method you can find the eigenvalue of this corresponding matrix. So this is the characteristic polynomial of T. So this is a simple question based on characteristic polynomial and the linear transformation method. So if you like this video, hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.